Okay, welcome. Let me stop the song. We are doing a song from Kanda Bongo man. A song called Wallow. Wallow. The song title is Wallow. The key is A. Either we play A here, or we play A here, or we play A here and here. So for the solo, he played it on the E, both E shape here and the A shape, the G shape here. So G shape, A shape, E shape he played. So the first part, that is do 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 so mi again, do 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 so, do chord, that is A, and so is E, E major, A major, E major. So, but he didn't play the whole so to down, just the top part, two no stop. So it can be, you can say it's do and so, do 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 ti. Again. So do 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 so, do chord, so chord. That so mi, do ti, so mi, do so mi. That is one part. We have three main parts in this song. Then the second part we go again, because we have do here. Do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That's where we are running. The scale we are running. Mi, re, do, ti, la, so. You see we are in the A shape. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And again here. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That is the G shape. G shape here. And A shape. That is where we are running the so first. So mi, ti, re, ti, do. La, ti, so, fa. So we start from so to fa. So, fa, so, fa. So, fa. Again. That's first part. Then go to the second part. Do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, mi. So the difference is so, fa, so, mi. So let's go. Again. Slowly. That's one part. Then after some time he play the same thing. Do, re, ti, do, la, ti. Then he moved to fa. Do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, mi. Do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, fa. Do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, mi. So That's the second part. Use the same thing for the two. So that mi and fa change the whole thing. So the third part, so we've done the first part, second part, the third part. Again, so do chord. Back to so, but he played what? So do what? Do and mi and do, making up the do what? Do so. Do re mi re again. Again. Do so. Do re mi re do re. Again. Do so. Do re mi re do re. Again. And fa. Because this is so, this is fa. Then third part, that's the third part, we are done with it. Do and mi, so and ti, so ti, do and re, do and mi, fa and re. So you move the same fa 2, that is the whole tone. That is re mi re, we slide. Re mi re, do re. Then again. Again. Hola. See. Do la sola, so fa mi. Excuse me. Do la sola, so fa mi. Again. Do la sola, so fa mi. Again. Do la sola. Third one. Again. Do la sola. 2 times. The third time. Do la so fa mi. Again. Do la sola, so fa mi. So then fa do re mi re do re, re mi re do re, re mi re do re. So that is the main lines in the song. So let's do the concept. When we do something and we do not do the concept, it's like we've done nothing. When I say the concept chord, that is the chord. That is do, fa, so, that is do, so, fa, so, do, so, fa, so. That's the concept. Or we play do, so, fa, so, do, so, fa, so. So the key is A. So we've done the 4 parts in the soca. That is the 4 lines. So this is 4 lines in the soca. A song from Kanda Bongo man called Wallow. Wallow, W-A-L-L-O-W. So that's soca line from Kanda Bongo man. A song called Wallow. The key is A. We've done the chord analysis, the solo side. So everything in the song has been captured. If you have any question, let me know, or any suggestion, let me know. You have a request, just leave a comment under the comment section. Then I will do answer the whole thing so that you can follow the lesson that we are doing. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share for others to join us. And the channel will be one big family learning guitar, because somebody's question or someone's question is an answer to the other person. That's what I've seen on this channel. Sometimes the request that comes onto this channel, when I do address the request or honor the request, you can see some people benefit from this. So this is a song called Wallow. The progression is 1 5 4 5. That is do, so, fa, so, do, so, fa. So sometimes we can use that chord, the solo over that chord to play ampersand. So if you manage our way, you can use that same thing to play ampersand. That is do, fa, so, do, fa, so. So this is do, so, fa, so, do, so, fa, so. So that is Wallow, the song title. So search for it on YouTube. You'll find it, Kanda Bongo man, Wallow, or Wallow. So download the song, play along as you are doing. Sometimes because of the copyright, I cannot use the song as I'm using, because all the songs have been protected by copyright. So I have to do something about that by using headphone, play the main line, give you the title of the song, so that you go to the online internet and download it, whether YouTube, anywhere you will find it. Thank you, or we shall meet very soon for other lessons. You are all welcome. Thank you very much.